on the floor last night. Attorney Diallo for the Terry and Arnold case.
Who's that?
Attorney,
Lillian Diallo?
yeah, Lillian Diallo.
Is for what?
For the Terry and Arnold situation.
What's Terry
Terry
Arnold?
Arnold is the Lions starting cornerback.
Oh, okay.
I guess apparently he's in some situation when he was at Alabama that's followed him to the NFL. And it's major.
Yeah.
Yeah, but she's probably a news commentator on that because that's a,
Yeah, that's what I didn't get to
that's an
hear
out
it.
of state case. But I mean, she doesn't mean she can't go out of state. She's
I wonder if that's what it is or if it's something else to happen.
She's a very good lawyer.
She is.
Very good lawyer. So you can't go wrong with her. That's for sure.
I should have listened to it. I wonder if she was just commenting.
I think she does some. She's a legal analyst for one of the news stations. But I'm sure she goes across the country as well. All right, I'm gonna start letting them in. Can we get Miss Shelton down here for Mr. Adonis Green?
Okay.
He's been trying to contact the service and something's missing. All right, it's on you.
You ready, Judge? Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Morning. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Ready, Judge.
You are? Okay, good. So let's see. Giovanni Larkins, do you have an attorney? Well, let me get Miss Robinson out of here. City of Detroit versus Shawanda Glover, case number SP 187-69781. Appearance for the record, please. It's Miss Robinson. I guess she's not connected to audio. Why am I up here twice?
We're looking at the floor, Judge, on the screen. Can't see
Are
you.
we here? Do you hear me?
I can hear you. Just the visual camera needs to be moved. Yeah.
Thank you. What about Mr. Miss Robinson? She's not connected to audio now? All right. Well, give me a minute. Okay. All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Kirkland Giovanni Larkins, case number SP 109-23961. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Larkins.
Unmute your device, Kirk Larkin.
Kirk Larkins, you're gonna have to unmute yourself. Start your camera.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. Am I ready now?
You're not starting your camera.
I'm not starting.
No, you need to start your camera. The prompt should be on your screen. I think you fell off. All right. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Christopher Graham.
Christopher Graham. Good morning to you, Mr. Graham.
Good morning, Mr. Perkins.
All right. Cornelius George, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Cornelius Romeo George, case number SP1 9009351. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. George.
Cornelius Romeo George.
All right, let's pass it momentarily. They requested Mr. George, well, on the record, back on the record, Mr. George requested an appointed attorney. And I don't believe that appointed attorney has contacted you, have they, Mr. George?
No.
All right, we're gonna see if we,
No, it was a guy that called me the other day, but it was for somebody named Tyron George. He had it all mixed up.
all right, let's pass the matter. Let's see if we can get that appointed attorney in here. All right, City of Detroit versus Kashonda Love, case number SP1867768, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Love.
Kashonda Love.
All right, good morning. Today
Good
is the
morning,
date
Mr. Perkins.
set for all right, you missed your trial date. I'm gonna reset it, trial date, unless you speak to Mr. Berry and you've gotten some documentation. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry, attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you
Okay.
don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Graham has
Join
a
the
hat on.
room. We'll pass the matter. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Xavion Daquan Grays, case number SP188064111. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Good
Good
morning to
morning,
you.
Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, could you please state your name for the record?
Xavion Daquan Grace.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Now enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Graves, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Christopher Graham, please remove your hat.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. On the iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please? Start your camera, unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What is your name, sir?
Kirk Giovanni Larkins.
Let me have some technical difficulties.
I had some technical difficulties.
I got you. Give me a minute. I'll get you in there in a second. Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Zoom user device. What's your name, please?
Demario Lucas.
Say that again.
Demario Lucas.
Lucas?
Yeah.
Lucas?
Yeah.
All right, hold on one second. Let me see. Lucas. What's your first name?
Dmario.
Dmar. Demario Perry Lucas.
What'd you say?
Demario Perry Lucas.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to be here until next week on the 2nd, Thursday.
It's y'all had gave me something in the mail. It said today the 26th.
But everything is on. Well, no, you got 2 days. I'm gonna make it on. Ms. Mathis, let's change this. He's got 2 different days on here.
Oh, he does.
Yeah,
Who is it for?
Demario Lucas. I printed it out for you. Just let him know which day he's supposed to be here. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Okay, that's what you want, Mr. Graves?
Yes.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date for the 17th of July at 8:30. That
Okay.
date is set. That appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully, one of those calls will be that appointed attorney.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Graves, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You too.
All right. Let's go back, recall the city of Detroit versus Perkins, Giovanni Larkins, case number SP 109-23961. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Larkins. Please state your name for the record.
Kirk Giovanni Larkins.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Pleading or not guilty, plea on your client's behalf, recall the warrant, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Larkins, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Your Honor, was this one where you said there was a request, but he missed a court date?
No. This one, I don't see anything. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Lucas? Where's Mr. Lucas?
Right here.
Now, come on Thursday, the 9th, July the 9th. Write that down, please.
Okay.
July the 9th. If it's nothing further, Mr. Lucas, be safe. We'll see you back in a couple weeks, all right?
Okay.
No, he asked for an appointed attorney.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the improper plate charge as charged. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Love?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes. Are we not going into the trial?
No, we're not going into it if you take this deal, but I just want to make sure you understand all your rights. Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, I thought we was taking it to trial for the next court date. That's what I thought we were doing.
No, is that what you want to do?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date then. I'll set a trial date for the 21st of July at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay. Let me write
Don't,
that down.
don't miss this. You're gonna make me
Okay,
have to.
no. I
But
was
wait a
on
minute.
there last time. It's just when they called my name, something went on with the phone.
Ma'am, stop.
I'm not trying to go into what happened in the past. I'm trying to say this.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna put a cash bond on you if you miss the court date, okay?
Oh, okay. Okay.
The July the 21st, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well.
You will, thank you. City of Detroit versus Christopher Graham, case number SP 1912890, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graham.
Christopher Graham.
Good morning to you, Mr. Graham. Today is the date and time and is set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, it should be an improper plates on that as well. It's just, all right. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room, we'll pass the matter. If somebody can contact, let me see if I can contact Attorney Robinson. Oh, Logan. Where did you get this file from? Huh? Oh. Yeah, well, she has not completed, Miss Logan.
Yes.
Did you do any community service?
Not yet. They still haven't got in contact with me.
Did you contact community service, Ms. Mathis? For Green as well?
I checked with
Adonis
Adonis
Green.
Gray. She's looking into Adonis.
She's saying that they haven't contacted her either. And she got new
Looking
cases.
into Adonis.
And she got new cases as well. On the Motorola Moto G, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
Maurice Littles.
Say that again?
Maurice Littles.
Maurice Littles. Good morning to you, Mr. Littles.
Good morning, sir.
Is your name Maurice Lamar Littles?
Yes, sir.
What brings you here?
I was told to come check back in on this date because you had gave me some community service to do. But I talked to Miss Shelton down at the community service, and she keeps saying that she don't see nothing on me that came across her desk or nothing like that. But she told me to show up to court to make sure that she can. I don't know what process you guys do to send over to her.
We're on the phone. We're on the phone with her now. We're going to see if she can come. Can she cast or can she zoom in? Please. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Larkins. Mr. Larkins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
No, we're still waiting for the city attorney. I just pulled them out of the breakout room.
I think, let's see, Mr. Carpenter, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You have?
I have Derek Gatewood.
All right, I haven't seen Gatewood. All right, Andrew Love, Mr. Ogletree is here. He's not connected. And Laster, good morning to you. I don't know what brings Laster here.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, I was here for a civil infraction.
What is your date of birth, please?
March 22nd, 2004.
C. Okay. And a misdemeanor. Okay. All right, Miss Robinson, are you ready?
Ready, Judge.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Shawanda Glover, case number SP 187-69781. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Ms. Glover. Ma'am, please state your name.
Shawanda Glover.
Good morning to you.
When they call me.
No.
Today is the
Judge.
date you set for pre-trial. You indicated your client wants a trial date.
That's right, Judge.
Is that 21st good with you and your client?
July 21st is fine with me. Is that fine with you, Ms. Glover?
Yes.
Thank you.
at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck, Ms. Glover. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Gary James Gady, case number U743444826. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Gady. Sir, please state your name.
Gary Gaddy.
Gary Gaddy, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, Mr. Gaddy. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. He wants a trial as well, correct?
Correct.
That will be July 21st, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Gaddy. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Okay. No problem.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Corin Laster, case number SP1909705, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Corwin Lasker.
Good morning to you, Mr. Laster. Day is date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Laster, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
And there's a expired plate on there that went with that ticket, Ms. Harris. So no insurance misdemeanor and expired plate.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Good morning to you, Ms. Horn. Good morning to you, Ms. Pruitt.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone. Let me go into the room.
That file long was sitting on my desk, Ms. Mathis.
It was?
Yes.
Okay. I started to get that.
All right, Littles, Logan and Green are waiting on, let's go back on the record with Mr. Laster. Mr. Laster, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are asking for a pre-trial date.
All right, pre-trial, Mr. Laster, is going to be the 17th of July at 8:30, okay?
Perfect.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Your Honor, if it's okay with the court, I wanted to go speak with Ms. Horn in the breakout room.
Very good. Mr. Gardner, he said he was to his court date because he was in jail or something. He don't have. All right.
And she had some different court dates.
Gardner.
Okay. So the community specialist, she's gonna reach out to Adonis Green and Logan, but here's the file.
Littles needs to be spoken with too.
He has community service too.
Yeah, I wish that they would have asked him, I know this young man.
How you doing, Mr. President?
All right, what happened with you?
I was in the hospital, then the other judge that I'm dealing with in Lincoln Park, he keep on denouncing, like, he forgetful, but we apologize over there that he was frustrated, I was frustrated, so he gave me some time in the county.
Well, guess that, what does that tell you?
He was just frustrated, he said.
But you were frustrated too.
Yeah, because,
Okay, no. What does that tell you?
that I have brain problems.
No, that you're not gonna win that. So don't go back and forth with that.
I love judges.
I know, but that is, you see what I'm saying? When you get back and forth with the frustrated, everybody might be frustrated, but you might want to know when to hold them and know.
I'm sorry, I'm speaking as
Is Graham ready? You need to. Is Graham ready?
Here's Christopher.
Yes.
Oh, did we find out? Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Christopher Lee Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Mr. Barrett?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. What does Mr. Graham want to do?
Requires a trial and the appointment of counsel, Your Honor.
Okay. That's what you want, Mr. Graham?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date, and that date is set so that that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need you to answer calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, what's the good phone number to reach you, sir?
313-772-3488.
3488?
Yes.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Graham. July 17th at 8:30 is the next court date.
July 7th. So I have documentations of other dates. I don't have to worry about that. Just worry about July.
Just to worry about July. It looked like one of those, it looked like for some reason it got, the two got separated. We're bringing them all back together, all right?
Okay, so you said July 17th.
At 8:30, yes.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 2.
And good morning, Mr. Perkins.
And good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Love. I see you there. Your counsel was here. Tree is your counsel, right?
Yes, sir.
He's here now. But we have to wait on. We're going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you in with Mr. Ogletree. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here.
Yes, sir.
On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera? I'm sorry, I stopped your camera. Can you start your camera and state your name, please?
Me?
No, iPhone.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Say that again. What's the last name? Gardner Gordon.
My name is Berlin Lynch.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Lynch. Your officer is here.
Okay.
What's your first name, sir?
What's your first name, sir?
Andre.
Andre.
Yeah.
And how do you spell Gardner?
Gardner.
Thank you. You owe 240. That's all I see. You just owe 240. Yes. You want to do community service?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to, because I want to fix income right now. I
All right.
can't work. That's why I'm doing the applicant thing. I didn't know the case was over with.
Okay.
It looks like it is.
But I had an excuse from the hospital.
I'm not, that's not even the issue anymore, because the case is over. Please, like you pled guilty last time.
I didn't play guilty. I didn't even show up in court.
You showed up here, you were here, I remember.
I didn't show up in court. You was May the 14th. And I didn't show up. I was in a hospital.
I mean, May the 14th.
Yes, it was May the 14th. I was in the hospital.
Listen. The last time I saw you,
yes,
you were standing right there.
Yeah, that was way before May 14th. I had changed my dates because I needed time to get through with you, and you gave me other dates instead of the date that I thought. I had came in with her and him the last time, and they told me it's not until May the 14th. And I got your cards at home. The cards that they sent to my house. I got them all.
Yeah.
So if I could get some time to get those, I'll bring them all up to you.
Well, we'll pull the record on May the 14th. You can go get that stuff together, but the record here says you pled guilty on May the 14th to amended count of no ops. $240 was the fine. I gave you until May the 22nd to pay it.
Yeah, I was all in the hospital at the time, sir. I went into the hospital May the 12th.
And Andre Dion Gordon Gardner?
No, Gardner Gordon.
Gardner Gordon. Andre Dion Gardner Gordon.
Yeah.
That's what it reads here.
I'm saying, Mr. Perkins, whatever you feel like is available to me.
No. What I will say this. If it wasn't you, then we will we'll pull the record and see what happened. If it wasn't you, then somebody's impersonating you. I don't know why somebody would come in and say, I'm Gardner Gordon, I got a ticket, but I don't know.
I came in many times just to remind myself about your court date. So I asked the clerk, I asked him, could he sign into the phone? He said he could.
Who?
This young man,
Yeah.
another young man down the hall, on the first floor. I think his name is Mr. Miller. I asked one of his under cadet to see if I had a court date because I didn't want to miss it. This was my time to just prove that I'm mindful of what I do because I have strokes and sickle cell, so I don't mean no harm if I'm forgetful.
That's all right. What I want to make sure is that you understood the deal. If it wasn't you that took the deal, then we'll have to figure that out.
I did, can I just do community service?
Absolutely, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Absolutely. If you.
I don't recall everything. So
Okay, so do you want to do the community service and get this, I'll get 12 hours of community service, will clear it up.
Okay.
You want to do that?
I do that, and I want to apologize to the officer because he was trying to be on my team more likely than against me, but I just couldn't walk quick enough. I have a blow up thing because I had a catheter.
You just have health issues. You just have health issues. All right.
That's all I want to
All right. So listen, do you have a good phone number?
Yes, I just got a new number. Yeah, I know it by heart too.
Right now, Judge. I'm gonna write it on this sheet.
Judge, is that?
I appreciate you. Hey, Mr. P.
That's good.
Judge, is the case SP 1243821, or are you looking at that case for that person? Gardner.
Gardner Gordon is SP 186-24082. May the 14th. I think that we're on the same page. I think that Mr. Gardner Gordon probably just doesn't remember it like he wanted, but you can also check the record
I just know I was in the hospital, on May the 12th. That was the weekend for Mother's Day.
and this was May the 14th.
Yeah, because I had to stay in the hospital, Colwell, I was in Colwell.
All right. Well, it's just, if you do 12 hours of community service, we'll close it out.
Yeah, but I have memory, sorry, Judge.
That's all right. All right, are we ready on anyone? What happened, Cornelius George? We're waiting on an attorney.
Oh, I'm
We're
still
waiting on,
in the Judge.
waiting on an attorney for you.
Yeah.
We're ready,
Lyles.
Mr. Graham.
Judge, what's Gardner Gordon's first name? I'm sorry, I'm just looking through.
Andre, Andre, Dion, Dion. Gardner, and it doesn't have an E, is Gardner. Gordon, hyphen Gordon.
With an O.
With an O instead of an E.
Like Ward Denton.
Mr. Gaffney has an attorney, right?
He needs, no, he wants to do community service.
Yeah, right, I'm sorry.
Can we get him with Miss Shelton now?
Just Gardner Gordon,
Yeah.
like I said before.
It would be good if we can get him together today,
Okay.
so he doesn't refer to community service because he's here, and that'll close it out. 12 hours of community service.
I'll
Sorry.
set him up with community service.
And then Cornelius George, we need that attorney.
I don't have to text his attorney right now.
Okay, very good.
He's on Zoom actually.
Very
To
good.
let him know that he's okay, we can take it. That's what I was talking to. Brown from ZLS.
Let me take a 1 second. Recess.
All rise.
All right, see you later. Mr.
I'll be right back.
Court is in recess. Please mute your devices.
You may be seated.
Officers were faced with gunfire. They were met with gunfire immediately, so they shot back, killing that suspect. Police not
Does,
Ogletree, can you check your text messages, please, and thank you? Ogletree. Can you hear the court?
Attorney Ogletree?
Maybe he can.
Okay.
That's okay.
All rise.
I'm sorry.
Court is back in session.
all right. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Larkins. Mr. Larkins, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, you got a dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask court to adopt, we stipulate to probable cause.
All right, case dismissed. Mr. Larkins, have a very good rest of your day, all right? You're free to leave, Mr. Larkins. I'll waive the warrant fee.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Judge for Mr. Gordon, she said she's gonna just reach out to him. She said she's not able to meet with him today.
All right, they're gonna call you, Mr. Gordon. When?
Here, what's your phone number?
You throw it out, you throw it out.
Two, 20.
Yeah, come back in 30 days. Be safe, all right?
July the
All right, have a good one.
Did I say 26?
27th. That's on Monday.
Oh, did I say the 26 on the number?
Can I repeat it back to you?
Cause I don't have the phone.
Can you mute that? Cause he didn't let it go by. Thank you.
Yeah. Your Honor,
Are you ready, Mr. Ogletree?
yeah, I just checked with Ms. Horn. She was saying on Love and Lyles that she didn't know if any officer appeared, so I was just trying to verify, but they should both.
Officer appeared on Lyles. Officer is here on Lyles.
Okay, so but on Love, there's no officer? Andrew Love?
I only have one officer that appeared, that's Officer Ross, he's here. Lyles, no. City of Detroit versus Andrew Love, case number SP 182-56851. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, Bible, Mr. Andrew Love. Mr. Love, can you unmute and state your name?
Andrew Love.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the day set for a trial. Is there Officer Cronk? Officer Cronk, hearing no response.
Respectful request and a dismissal.
All right, I'll dismiss no officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Love, have a very good rest of your day. and best of luck to you, okay?
Your Honor, one
Yes.
question, sir.
Yes,
How do I obtain my property?
you gotta find a lawyer about that,
Find a lawyer?
or go to the city and, to the police department and see if they'll give it back to you. If they don't give it back to you, then you're probably gonna have to hire a lawyer.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Mr. Love, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ogletree.
You're welcome. Your Honor, can I be? Okay.
Miles is here. Ms. Horn is in talking to Ross right now.
Okay.
Good
Can I be
morning,
made a pause with this device? I'm gonna cut off the other device.
Good morning on the iPhone. Good morning to you. Berlin Lynch is here as well. Mr. Ogletree, Berlin Lynch is here as well.
Yeah. What we wanted was for Berlin Lynch is a bench trial day.
I don't know how to hang up.
I'll hang you up. All right, City of Detroit. Is that Berlin Lynch?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Berlin Lynch Jr., case number V14040-626. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Berlin Lynch.
Yeah.
Mr. Lynch, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Berlin Lynch Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lynch, your trial date is going to be July the 21st. July the 21st, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing further, Mr. Lynch. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day. God bless.
You as well.
Yeah, they asked me to do Cornell George, so I just need to speak to him in the breakout room.
Let's go. Okay. Let's call the City of Detroit again versus Cornell Romeo George, case number SB 19009-351. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Cornell George.
Cornelius, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry, Cornelius George.
Mr. George, state your name for the record, please.
Cornelius Romeo George.
Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Ogletree. You get acquainted with him. You may get you an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come back.
Yes.
We need Attorney Ragnar.
23rd and the 24th. I sent an email on the 23rd.
Kaylin Green. Carlin Green.
Good morning.
Good morning. I need you to turn your camera on. You were supposed to be here yesterday, sir. Don't come into court with a white tee on. Don't come into court with a tank top on.
Appreciate you.
Mr. Sean Perkins, when we was all in, that day, I had wrote down on my calendar here that I had trial on a Friday. I wrote it down on the calendar. We wrote down right there on.
I said the 25th. I don't know if you meant the 25th to be Friday. I don't know what happened. It's just yesterday. Carlin Green, please.
Because I was up yesterday morning and ready, but I thought that it was.
I'm not
Friday.
gonna go back and forth with it.
Okay.
Pardon me.
Here you go, Judge.
There's always the date that everybody says. They're never wrong or made a mistake. It's always that. So I get that all the time. All right, let's see if we can get it right this time. Whoever made a mistake. July the 21st, 9 a.m.
2/1, July 2/1.
July 21st, 9 a.m.
2/1. I will mark it on my calendar.
All right, have a great day.
You as well, sir, and weekend too. All right, y'all. Bless that.
Thank you. Get Mr. Ragnar. All right.
Did Mr. Ragnar connect?
He did not reconnect.
Okay, we'll reach out to him.
Okay, we have Ogletree's good. We need Mr. Carpenter back because Gatewood is here. Donis Green, we need to get those. What are we doing with these individuals that have?
She's gonna reach out to them, Miss Shelton. I gave her. She has referrals for them.
What about Maurice Littles?
He's not scheduled today.
No, he never did get a call either, he indicated. I printed it out.
Is it Littles with an S?
Yeah, I printed it out. It's coming out now. What about Logan on her other dates?
Logan returns on the 16th and she has a referral. She's gonna reach out to her too. She just had a lot of stuff that she has.
Okay, Miss Logan, are you there?
Yes.
All right, so I guess Miss Mathis said you're gonna be back on the 16th of this month?
Okay, do I have to come on the 29th? Because I got a court date on the 29th too.
You do have a court date on the 29th. Those are new tickets, I believe.
Let's call it City of Detroit versus Tajane Logan. Case numbers. SP 184-2846 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 190-4574 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Logan.
Tajane Logan.
All right, I don't know how this is. It's okay.
She has another sheet in there too, Judge. With your notes stating she gotta come up on the 29th.
Stuff is supposed to be dismissed.
else for the 29th?
One is in warrant status. And one doesn't have a date. They're both supposed to be dismissed. No. 284. 284. No, that looks like an error on my part. It doesn't look like I put anything down there for that.
Did she get them after she pled?
No, she got them. I should have put there, I'm gonna dismiss those two cases. All right. SP 1842846 counts 1 and counts 2. I'm going to dismiss those. Those should have been incorporated into the agreement. Looks like I didn't put the information down on the paper. SP 1904574 counts 1 is supposed to be a failure to display. And I said 12 hours of community service. Count 2 was an improper plate. And I said 12 hours of community service. That one I will dismiss upon completion. All right, that takes care of that. Those, and then I told you that you can do 90 hours of community service and it'll clear up everything. And you have not gotten a call. What I'm gonna do is put this, I'm just gonna put another referral in. Still at the same telephone number?
Yes.
That ends in 8591.
Correct.
313-965-8130 is the number for community service, Ms. Shelton over there. I'm going to reset this till the 27th of July. See if you can get going. You don't necessarily have to finish all that by that time, but if you do, it would be good. We can close it out, but that just gives us a date so that we can make sure you give some time to get started and get substantially done on this stuff, okay?
Okay.
All right, look for a call from Ms. Shelton this time, July the 27th. If you don't hear from her in next week or sometime, give us a call back, okay?
Okay.
I looked at all his tickets. There is no update on any community service. They all still infractions.
What about that high BAC?
That's another judge.
That's another judge?
Yes.
He can do
The other one
1,
also.
2, 3, 4, 24 hours community service, Mr. Littles. I need a good phone number from you. That'll clear up the civil infractions. You won't owe the court any money for the civil infractions. I need a good phone number. Pardon me?
313-556-6830.
All right, refer to community service. The number to community service is 965-8130.
Or do I call them or do they contact me?
They should call you, but I give you the number so you have it. 2027, come back on the 27th. If they're completed, then we'll close out the civil infractions. All right?
Okay.
Before a call, if you don't hear from them beginning of next month, the beginning of next week or toward next week, Mr. Adonis Green, same thing, except I don't know how many hours I told you to do. I did 24 hours of community service. We'll clear everything. I'm going to refer this to community service again. I apologize for the inconvenience, and you indicated to the court that you were reaching out and trying to stay on top of it. I do appreciate that, but let's try to get it right this time on our end, at least. Is that same phone number 0709 the best number to reach you at, Mr. Adonis Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's have you back the same date, the 27th. And if you don't hear from anybody, then let's just reach back out, just zoom back in. All right. Next week. Yes.
Your Honor, I have a court date for the 29th too, and I haven't received any tickets or nothing because I don't drive no more.
I don't see anything in here. Maybe that was
No, it's right here I got the ticket. It's the 26th and
all right, let me see. 9th was a review. The 29th was a review.
They both say reviewed.
Yeah, so disregard that. Come back on the
27th.
On the 27th. That's what you're doing the community service for, to clear that up.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hey, both of you, Mr. Lewis, Mr. Littles, Mr. Green, have a very good rest of your day. Mr. Green, do you have anything else?
No,
Mr. Little, I'm sorry. Mr. Littles, do you have anything else?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right, be safe, both of you. Have a very good rest of your weekend, okay?
You do the same, Your Honor. Appreciate you.
That's we're waiting on the attorney to come back. All right. Good morning to you. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
A bench trial date.
The trial date will be the 21st at 9 a.m. 21st at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
George, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're also ready on Mr. Lyles, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dorian Lyles. Case number SP 1806841. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Orchard on behalf of Mr. Lyles.
Mr. Lyles, state your name for the record, please.
Dorian Lyles.
All right, today is the date and time. It is set for a trial date. Officer Ross, are you there? All right, what's gonna go on with this?
Yes, I spoke to the prosecutor. She said they're dismissing for the officer's lack of recollection.
All right, and then he had a blocking traffic he never paid. It was as charged, it looks like, as a blocking traffic. So, all right, we'll dismiss No recollection. There was nothing further. Mr. Lyles, you have a very good rest of the day, and you owe 215 on that blocking traffic, all right? Take your scarf off. Well, you don't wear the scarf in the courtroom again, all right?
All right.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too.
Thank you. Mr. Oldstreet, who else do you have?
That's it.
All right, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right,
Get
Sam.
Carpenter back in here, Gatewood's here. All right, Carpenter's here.
Oh, he is, okay, great.
Carpenter's here. What happened to Gatewood?
David left.
Carpenter,
Yes.
good morning. Gatewood was here. I don't know what happened to him.
I don't know either. I was just speaking with him in a breakout room. I don't know if his connection.
Oh, all right then. What does he want to do? Do you know?
Not yet. I'm still speaking with him.
All right, we're gonna go into recess. Let me know when Ragnar gets here, please.
Ragnar said he's on his way. He was in Judge Millicent.
All right.
I'll be court is in recess. Please mute your devices.
1 second. Hello, everyone. Is anybody ready for the judge? Just checking while we in recess. He's in recess. Is anybody ready?
I am ready once Derek Gatewood's in the main session.
Okay, I'm gonna bring Derek Gatewood in. He's in the waiting room. So you're ready on Derek Gatewood?
Yes.
Okay, is there anybody ready on any matters? What about Charles Cartwright? Are we ready on Charles Cartwright? Garthright, everybody ready on Garthright? Does anybody else hear the court? Mr. Garthright, have you talked to an attorney? Unmute your device, please. Garthright, Charles, unmute your device.
This is Ragnall's client.
Oh, Garthright is Ragnall's client?
That's right.
And Lily is Ragnar. Okay, so we need Ragnar. Let me call Ragnar.
I thought I was Barry.
You thought you were Barry's client? No, he's just you're Ragnar, so we're waiting on Ragnar. I was just checking. Let me call him one more time. Okay, we're gonna go back on mute while I call Attorney Ragnar again. Can you press this? Thank you, Officer Wilson.
That's not who I was talking to. Oh, lady.
Place your device on mute, sir, for us.
Attorney Ragnar, welcome. Welcome to the court. We have your two clients waiting for you. I'm gonna give you, can I give you co-host abilities? No.
Thank you.
Co-host abilities. I think I'm gonna put you, Charles Cartwright, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 5. The Attorney Ragnar will be in there to speak with you. That's breakout room 5. And Lillian, Lorraine, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. And Attorney Ragnar, which defendant would you like to speak to first?
Will this go in order? How about 5 and 6? Thank you.
Okay, I can't give you co-host abilities, but I will put you in breakout number 5. Start speaking with Garthright.
Okay, is the prosecutor here?
Tamika Horn, let's see. I do not see her, but I will give you her telephone number if you don't already have it. And then I'll reach out so you can speak to her.
All right,
I'll reach out to her know you want to talk to her, okay?
Right. Thank you very much.
You're going in 5.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. We only have like a few people ready and we got 3 people in Ragnar. Don't be cutting me. I'm just playing. Yeah.
Who's that?
Tamika. She was like, say less. Say less. Yeah. Say less. Coffee can be so good sometimes. This is like the best thing ever. Maybe you keep saying it ain't no good for you. But you know what my mother always told me?
Bad for your heart.
But she said coffee drinkers, for the most part, guess what they never did? Diabetes.
Mom said she just got diabetes.
For your mom? My mom just passed away. Because diabetes eventually breaks down your pancreas. So she just basically passed away from pancreatic cancer.
Diabetes.
From all those years being diabetic. But it's a terrible, it's like, it's something, you know, we be hearing like all of these things like breast cancer and diabetes. It's so important that we pay attention to these announcements because we just go through life being distracted because of bills and anxiety and things that go on. Our health has to be number one. Because, you know, you be on it and then something happens. Can you unmute me until we?
You say your mom wasn't a coffee drinker?
Not like that. They say most.
Madam Clerk?
Attorney Ragnon, are you ready?
No, I need to talk to Lily Lauren. And then I wanted to ask you, these other three clients have not logged in yet?
Let's focus on the people that are here.
Okay.
And then,
Then we'll
okay,
deal
and
with
then
them.
people who are
Okay.
not here. Okay, and I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 6.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me a week. And Ragnar,
Yes.
I did reach out to Tamika Horn. She should be zooming in shortly.
Okay.
Okay, she said she was on her way.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Good morning. Is it still morning? Good morning. Attorney Ragnon is waiting for you, Ms. Horn. client.
Back in session.
What about Gatewood? Is
Reese
here.
Carpenter, Gatewood, Reese Carpenter is ready on Gatewood,
All right.
Judge.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Derek Anthony Gatewood, case number U75142526. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Derek Gatewood. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Gotta unmute yourself, Mr. Gatewood. I'm sending you the prompt to unmute yourself. What does your client want to do, Mr. Carpenter?
Your Honor, we are asking for a bench trial date.
21st is a good date for you?
I am checking right now. I can't do the 21st. I can't do that week.
What day is good?
Could do the 28th.
Mr. Gatewood, you have to unmute yourself. I don't understand why you can't see that on your screen. It's giving you a prompt. All right, the 28th. Contact your client. He's just, there he is. Mr. Gatewood, state your name for the record, please.
Derek Anthony Gatewood.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for pre-trial. I'm going to give you a trial date, July the 28th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay? Okay. And best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You too, sir.
All right, Mr. Carpenter, have a good day. This is the city of Detroit versus Lily Grace Lauren, case number SP188855541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragdon, P23-157 on behalf of Ms. Lauren. Ms. Lauren, would you state your full name for the court, please?
Lily Grace Lauren.
Thank you.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. The day is the date and time and is set for a pre-trial. What does Ms. Lauren want to do?
Well, Your Honor, we would ask the matter to be set for a bench trial. We could. I've explained to her rights to a jury trial and her rights going forward, and she has asked for a bench trial.
What you want, Miss Lauren?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the 21st, good with you, Mr. Ragnow?
It is not, Your Honor. I have a medical procedure that day, just coming back from a so perhaps the next one would be good.
Say next week?
No, the next court date you have for a trial.
Well, I mean, that's the one we have. You give me a date when you'll be ready.
25th?
No, that's we won't this Saturday, 24th, Friday.
Okay, that would be fine. Thank you.
7/24/2026 at 9 a.m. Miss Lauren, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Lauren. Be in touch. Your Honor, I have Mr. Athright in the breakout room still.
Is he ready?
Yes.
What is he going to do?
Well, Your Honor, we're going to ask to have that matter set for a bench trial. I haven't had a chance to talk to Ms. Horn, and we're going to. I'm confident we can resolve it at
all
24
right.
then.
All right. What about did we ever check his testing?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
He did.
Let me check.
He did 3 times, Your Honor, and he sent me the information.
Count to get the probation
I see it,
department.
does he take it?
All right, very well. Step up, Mr. Gathright. Good morning to you, ma'am. All right, City of Detroit versus Charles Lewis Gathright. Case number SP 109-44211, SP 109-45381, Z8073011, SP 1197792, SP 1212581, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1213258, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1252292, SP 1255810, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 1268348, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1296987, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1405021, SP 1436848, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1436850, SP 1443305, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1690007, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragland, P23-157 on behalf of Mr. Gathright. Mr. Gathright, would you state your full name for the court, please?
Charles Lewis Gathright II.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. My understanding is you want to set a trial date?
Well, Your Honor,
all right.
If I may interrupt for a moment, if I could have a minute to talk to Ms. Horn about this matter, it may be able to be resolved today. I'm not sure, but I'd like to talk to her first. That's
okay.
Convenient. That's okay.
Well, all right. I don't mind you talking to her, but I thought you just indicated that you can work it out. But you can go in the breakout room, get Ms. Horn. Ms. Horn, I'm going to breakout room 4, speak to Mr. Ragnon, and then see if you can work it out. In the meantime, get the probation department down. We'll see what the testing looks like. You've been testing? And all of them been negative? Any missed tests? All right. All right.
Honor, I just want to mention, Your Honor, that I had not had a chance to talk to Ms. Horn yet.
Very well.
Thank you.
She's not at her desk. She's somewhere else, please. All right. Join the room, and then if you need to talk to Mr. Mr. Gathright, you can go. You're on that device. If he needs to talk to you, we'll just send you back out in the hallway, and you can talk to him if he has something substantial or wants to talk to you about. All right. All right. Let's pass the matter.
Now with the test results, I don't think a referral was never sent to probation.
So how are you testing then? No. How are you? Who's got you testing?
Thomas.
Probation Officer Thomas.
Yes.
And that I told you to test?
Yeah. It was updated by my coworker.
So it's in there. He's been testing.
He's been testing. You said Thomas. Let me pull up Thomas.
All right.
I called O'Driscoll because nobody is signed. So
Sean Grimes.
Yes, sir.
Why are you late? Turn your camera
I don't
on.
got no phone, and I'm using somebody else's phone on Zoom. I just called the courthouse and asked for your Zoom number.
Attorney Ragnar is assigned to Sean Grimes. That's what he was saying. We need assistance on Sean.
Good morning to you, Mr. Grimes.
Good morning.
Mr. Grimes is here, Mr. Ragnar. Do you need to speak with him?
I do, Your Honor. And I think back to Mr. Gathright, if you want to just set that for.
We'll let you talk to the city.
Okay, we'll talk to Mr. Grimes first. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Grimes, join breakout room 6, please. I'm gonna keep going back and forth. Thank you.
Probation officer Thomas is gonna send me something for Mr. Gabriel.
All I need to know is he been okay testing?
He asked, but he still was gonna send something.
All right, very good. I don't know. If it's happening in Alabama, yeah. It's happening in Alabama. It's happening in Alabama. Officer Thomas, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
I just was checking on Gathright, making sure that he's
And
been.
I had sent him, I mailed him a referral to Affordable Testing Services, but it doesn't appear he has gone and enrolled yet.
He indicates that he's got proof here that he's got some documentation.
Does he have the documents? Because if he does, I'll take a look at him. I just hadn't seen it in the
It's just a card that he has, a little rectangular card that he's indicating that he's tested 3 times.
Okay,
Right.
then they must have him under another name. Let me double check. Their database isn't always the best. Yeah, they got him under 2 names. Yep, he's good.
All right, thank you
They
so
put him
much.
under, I don't know why they did that, Your Honor, but they had him under 2 different names, and the one it says nothing, and the other one it's got everything. So he's good.
Very good. All right, have a great weekend, Officer Thomas, and thanks for zooming in so quickly.
Oh, yeah, no problem. You too, Your Honor.
Mr. Ragnon is wanted to speak with you about Mr. Gathright. And then he's gonna probably he's in there talking to Mr. Grimes right now. So 2 other people, and we'll see what happens.
Thank you, Judge, so much. We just had a doozy in my other courtroom. Thank you for your patience. I'll go in room 4 and wait on counsel.
Okay, very well.
Okay.
So he's got No, he's good. You're on. They call you and do whatever you need to do, right? All right. Stewart. We lost Stewart. Coffee was so good. Man, I remember that. My mom used to like coffee like that. Oh, every day she couldn't have it. Everywhere she went, she just all she wanted was coffee. All the time. All the time.
Samantha says she has coconut cream too.
It's good.
It's good.
That's Brian's phone. City of Detroit versus Sean Phillip Bryan, case number SP. Give me 1 second. Let me take a moment of recess. I'll turn you across.
Court is in recess.
You gonna press that?
Yes. City of Detroit versus Sean Phillip Grimes, case number SB 157-24881. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragdon, D-23-157 on behalf of Mr. Grimes. Mr. Grimes, state your full name for the court, please. Oh, you're muted, Mr. Grimes. You have to unmute. There
Sean
you go.
Phillip Grimes.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time is set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Grimes want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Grimes would like to have this matter set for a bench trial. If we could, please. I've advised him of his rights to a jury trial and his rights going forward, and he still would like to request a bench trial.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Grimes?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on the 24th of July, Mr. Grimes.
Yes, sir.
9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Horn is in there waiting on you for gate right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know it.
Yeah, let them both up to the board.
Somebody already.
Probably did. I wonder what they're adding to it in the next connection is you make that in the block. What are they adding to it?
This is lime juice, so I'm sure. Tomatoes and onions. I used to make it all the time. Just love it. Yeah, it's just simple. Alright. I used to put blue cheese in it too. Blue cheese. Oh, yeah, kiwi guacamole. It sounds like really good.
Guacamole soup, that's it.
He doesn't make this one.
I don't even know.
It's not like really good on fish too.
Grilled or the grill.
We have kiwi avocado salsa verde.
I'm gonna step away for 1 second. All right. What is the recess? Let's see.
Me.
Ms. Horn, he stepped away for a recess. He said he'd be right back.
Okay, I think Mr. Ragnon, I
Yes.
think we're all done. Was that the only thing I was needed for, and only to find out that all these matters are being set for trial?
Sorry, I didn't beforehand. But thank you, Ms. Warren.
You're welcome. Thank you. Everybody have a good day. Thank you.
You as well.
Mhm.
For the second session. Are we ready, Mr. Ragnon?
Yes, ready on Mr. Gathright.
What are we gonna do?
Going to set it for a bench trial.
Very good. All right, step up again, Mr. Gathright. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Charles Lewis Gathright is the second, correct? All right, Mr. Gathright will set the matter for a bench trial. You understand that you have an absolute right to a jury trial, sir?
Yes, sir.
And do you know by, you know, you can either have that right by jury trial or you can waive that right by jury trial. That's your option, and allow the court to hear the case. And that would be me making a decision if it happened to go to trial on the either your guilt or your innocence. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you, how would you like to proceed? You want a bench trial or you want a jury trial? All right. So, Mr. Gathright, he indicated he wants a bench trial. Likely he'll probably work himself out anyway. But
Yes.
we'll give you the trial date of July 24th, 2026, Mr. Gathright. And if there's nothing further, you and what's your name, ma'am?
Carmela.
Carmela, have a very good rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, and that'll conclude the matter. Any questions?
Yes, I had went to Secretary of State and she said I needed judge education.
Yeah, your issue is different. Whenever you get a OWI, any kind of drunk driving related case, if you had a driver's license before and you maintain that license, then you would be okay. But since you may have not had a license before, or you lost your license in while that case is ongoing, then you're not going to be able to get a license until the matter's adjudicated. All right, and then you owe a lot of other civil infractions of no insurance proofs. Let me see that file, please. And you may want to work on this in between. It's not going to affect your ability. You owe, and these are old matters, Mr. Ragnon, that we were not going to address because they're too old to address. You owe 4 no insurance proofs. So when you do recover your ability to get a license after this case is over with, you're going to still owe 4 no insurance proofs at $288 a piece. Those will have to be paid in order for you to get clearances here down at 36th District Court. And then again, I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but these 4 tickets would have to be paid $288, $288, $288, $288. You do owe a lot of other civil infractions, but those are not affecting your driver's license. The 288 times 4 no insurance proofs are affecting your ability to get a license and will continue to affect your ability to get a license even after this case is gone. So you might want to start working on that now.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions? All right. I wish you both best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Wright, now, I'll see you soon. Have a
Well,
very
Your
good.
Honor, I do have 3 other matters where I don't think people showed up on.
We're gonna bench warrant.
Christopher Larkin.
Have you
Sean
spoken to any
Phillips,
of them?
Burden Lillard. Okay,
Have you spoken to any of them?
not recently, no.
Okay.
I have not, but I
We'll
will,
bench-
I will shortly.
Oh, well. I don't know how you want to, if there's some, if you get them back in here on Monday or something, then we'll handle it, but. Okay.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Have a very good rest of your day.
You have a